Good afternoon, everybody. We got lovely Toby here. That's his third lesson. We've done the crossroad. Now we're doing the big roundabout, believe it or not.
Yeah.
So we've done the first round. We've done the first exit. Left. We've done 3, 4 roundabouts. Now we're going ahead, second exit, and then third exit. And I hope you find this video useful. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, and then we put the video on YouTube so you can see, guys, how good he is. Good. Nice. Okay, so the first mini roundabout coming up Toby, I would like you to turn right, please. Yeah?
Yeah.
How's that?
Yeah, it's good.
Now you're approaching big roundabout.
Yeah.
We're going towards Brookfield.
Yeah.
Second exit, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. How's the roundabout?
It's good.
Yeah.
I forgot to check my left mirror though.
Yeah. Why do you think you forgot?
Pardon?
Why do you think you forgot?
I don't know.
What would be the risk if you don't check it?
No, I could have hit someone.
Yeah. What did you learn from that?
Check the left mirror before I indicate mirror signal maneuver.
Good. Can I leave it to you?
Yeah.
Good. We're going ahead, yes?
Yeah.
So you're in the correct lane behind that car. Well done. Because this one is going ahead. Let's go left, let's go right, yeah?
Yeah.
What information can you see, Toby?
There's roundabout coming up.
Okay, we're going ahead, second exit then. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well done. Good mirror, good signaling. Yes, that's how it should be done. Nice, well done.
Thank you.
How do you feel when you do that?
Yeah, much better. A lot more in control. Know everyone is.
That's good, yes?
No risks.
Exactly. Well done, well done.
Road's a bit bumpy.
A lot of humps in the roads.
Yeah, a lot of potholes. Need to relay it.
Yeah.
Oh, still coming up here. Oh.
A lot of potholes there, yes.
Yeah, I tried to avoid it, but I couldn't really.
But at least you won't slow down, that's good. roundabout coming up. After that Tesco,
Yeah.
we will be turning a left, please, okay?
Yeah.
So as soon as we pass Tesco. There you go, yeah. Good mirror, good signaling, well done, nice. So now we look for opportunity now. Safe?
He's turning right.
Yeah? So you got a blocker nicely, yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Like the NFL.
Hmm?
Like the NFL. With the blockers.
That's it, yeah.
Got another little roundabout coming up.
Ahead, please, thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so this mini roundabout, coming turn right, please. Right,
Yeah.
that's mini roundabout. How's the roundabout, Toby?
Yeah, good. Checked everything.
Beautiful,
Very
beautiful.
safe.
Well done, well done. And we just go ahead, straight on, yeah?
Yep.
Good, nice. See how much space we got from your car to the white line, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Mini roundabout.
Ahead, please.
Do I have to indicate left here?
No. Just away from the curb, and then go ahead, yes?
Yeah.
Just check the left mirror now, that's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Turning left. Third exit towards London, yes?
Yeah.
How's that one?
Yeah, it's good.
How you feel?
Yeah, good. Yeah, very confident in that.
Well done, very good. what they need to be, yeah? Roundabout ahead, please, yeah? Second exit.